GPSTR CTT channel. In this today class, we are discussing KSET 2017 General Paper Aptitude Questions, Booklet Code W. In that first question, we are discussing if 9 men and 12 boys can do a piece of work in 4 days, and 4 men and 16 boys can do a same piece of work in 6 days, how long will 6 men and 24 boys will take to complete that piece of work? Here first people work in days they have given 9 here men plus boys, here 9 men plus 12 boys, they will do piece of work in 4 days. They are already given. For that same work, to complete that same work, 4 men and 16 boys they will take to complete in 6 days. So here what you have to write, 9 men plus 12 boys into 4, that is equal to 4m into 16b into 6, because here equal, because they are completing the same piece of work. After multiplying, we get 1 man equal to 4 boys. That means a man is capable enough to do 4 boys work. Here they for asked 9 men and 24 boys, they will do piece of work in how many days. For that, what we have to do, here we have found out that 1 man can do a piece of 4 boys work. Here 9 men plus 12 boys. 12 boys means for 12 boys that equal to 3 men. So here 9 men plus 3 men, they will do piece of work in 4 days. And they asked 6 men plus 24 boys. 24 boys means here 6 men. So here instead of 24 boys I have taken 6 men, because I have converted both in men only for simplification. 6 men and 6 men. Here also we are having 12 men. 12 men do a piece of work in 4 days, because here they have given for 12 men do a piece of work in 4 days. Here also luckily we are having 12 men, they will complete a piece of work in 4 days. If suppose instead of 12 men we are having a 16 men, 18 men, at that time what you have to do means simply 12 into 12 men do piece of work in 4 days. Here instead of 12, if there is something other value 16, 18 something is there na, that time what you have to do, green color is there na, like this you have to multiply 12 into 1 into 4, that is equal to, if instead of 12 if any number is there na, that number you have to multiply 12, here 12 1 into x, that equal to x. So we found out that x value is 4. Like this if you do, will get answer is 4. Then second question, find the fifth term in the following series 2 7 27 107. Fifth term is what? Here simply what they have did, 2 7 27 107. Here first we have to observe the difference. Here the two ends in between 2 and 7, 5 differences there. 7 and 27, 20 differences there. 27 and 107, 80 differences there. Here one thing we have to observe, here 5 4s are 20, here after that 20 4s are 80. Like this if you do 80 into 4, that means 320. So the difference between fourth and fifth term should be 320. For that what you have to do, simply you have to add 107 and 320, that is 427. So answer is option C. Third question, in a code house is written as INVRF, how is crowd written in that code? Here house means, here simply what they have did, plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus, here alternatively they have moved next term next to alphabet and previous alphabet. Here H next alphabet is I, here O previous alphabet is N, here again plus 1 V minus 1 R plus 1 F. Here like this you do means of C next alphabet is D, R previous alphabet is Q, O next alphabet is P, W previous alphabet is V, D next alphabet is E. If you like this do, you will get DQPVE, that is option A. Next question, this is a very interesting question. Here it is some tricky question. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of a clock in opposite directions? Here option 4 options are given. For that we have to find 30h minus 11 by 2m equal to 180. Here I have written 180 because they have given at between 4 and 5 o'clock the hands are opposite at which time? Means opposite means here 180 degree. If suppose instead of opposite direction, if they asked that they are coinciding, means at that time you have to take 0 degree, but here they have given opposite direction. That's why I have taken equal to 180 degree. Here h means hour, m means minutes. Here if you substitute hour in place of h, where if you substitute 4, because it will starting from 4 only na, that's why I have to take that between 4 and 5 you have to take that least value 4. 11 by 2 m equal to, here I have written minus 180 because time is not in negative. Here if I take plus 180 means here 30 into 4 is 120. If it is plus 180 means at that time what will happen? 120 minus 180, you will get minus 60. If you move minus 11 by 2 m right side means that time minus 11 by 2 m is equal to minus 60. So it is not time is not negative. That's why if I take negative means here when it is moved shifted to here 120, that negative become plus 180. This minus 11 by 2 m, here if you move to right side it will become plus. So here I will get answer m is equal to 600 by 11. 600 by 11 is nothing but this is 54 6 by 11. So in that option we have to see wherever 54 6 by 11 is there na, minutes is there na, that is the answer. Here option D is the answer. 54 6 by 11 minutes past 4. After 4 o'clock that time means 4 hour 54 minutes 6 by 4, 54 6 by 11 minutes. That answer is D. ABC invested in a common business. A invested 5,000 for 2 months, B invested 6,000 for 3 months, and C invested 4,000 for 5 months. Out of a profit of 960, ABC is there na, that 5,000 for 2 months, 6,000 for 3 months, C for 4,000 for 5 months. Here simply what you have to do, simply we have to find the ratios of that. Here on simplification we'll get 5 is to 9 is to 10. Here total profit is 960. Out of that A share is they have asked. Here for A share what you have to do, 5 divided by that total ratios, 5 plus 9 plus 10 means 19 plus 24. Here 24 into 960, that means after multiplying we'll get 200. If suppose they asked B share means what I have to do, 9 divided by the total sum of the ratios 24 into that 960 360. If they ask